Hi, how to use web workers. We need a new worker object with the URL of the script file as a parameter. To make the worker run, we need to post a message to the worker. To get data from the worker, we use the onMessage method. The data is in the data property of the event object. In the worker script file, we need to define the onMessage method. The data from the main script in the data property of the event object. The web workers can't be started for the local files, so we need a web server. A Node.js live server will do. Let's get it started. The site is on. The worker is running. Thank you for watching to the end. Subscribe to our channel and you will find more JS videos.